Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your AT&T Internet Air. So upon unboxing, you will get the AT&T Wi-Fi hub and the power supply. And on the box, there is a QR code. Make sure to scan it and then you'll be directed to the app. And so download it. It's called the Smart Home Manager. Now after that, open up the app and then either tap sign in if you've registered your Internet Air service or set up equipment and scan the QR code on the base of your Wi-Fi hub when prompted. And then next is to set up. You click on get started and then follow the guided prompts to set up your Wi-Fi hub. After that, you're ready to go. Just some tips to optimize your connection is to find the direction of your closest signal tower and tap help me find this direction. So click on next, and then once you're here, you plug in your Wi-Fi hub and then follow the prompts in the Smart Home Manager app to test the signal strength. So the hub display will help guide placement to make sure your signal is strong. Now, to set up your Wi-Fi, use the Wi-Fi network name and password displayed in the app. So basically, that's it.